It's been a couple of months since we flew out here at Mosaic at West Creek, a 55-plus community in Goochland, Virginia. Here is your development update for fall of 2022. First, let's recap what's been done. The Conservatory is completed, offering homeowners a combined indoor-outdoor oasis with a fire pit, outdoor kitchen, and more. We have partnered with Blue Star Golf and Resort, and they have been offering a full social calendar. Please stop in at the Conservatory to say hi to them today. The Bark Park is done and offers agility equipment, benches, and 2 off-leash play areas. Whether you're exercising or just getting to and from, we have miles of trails and sidewalks. Now let's get into everything new. Here's the Connexion. Outdoor sections of this amenity are open and include pickleball courts, bocce ball, and more. The rest of this amenity is under construction and should be open early 2023, so make sure you stay in the know by signing up for news at mosaicwestcreek.com. The amenities and planned social calendar are part of the Mosaic, and our home offerings complete this picture. Our builders have home sites for low-maintenance townhomes and single-family homes, and we even offer custom homes. Find what you've been looking for at mosaicwestcreek.com. Mosaic at West Creek is an HHHunt community. For a complete list of our communities, please visit hhhuntcommunities.com. HHHunt, because it's how you live that matters.